Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I know it's been a while I have posted video on this channel. I'm sorry for that. I have not been opportuned because of so many things I've been trying to put in place. But all the same I'm fully back. So we're gonna be having videos regularly, and now we'll be focusing on price action more than indicator strategies. We'll be looking more into price action strategies that can help us make money on the forex market, because I'm a I'm a bit, in fact, I'm more confident on price action. I love trading price action more than using indicators. So I believe if I should be, giving you videos on such, and if you are interested in price action strategy, which I think is far better than indicator strategies, you will learn a lot, and it will improve your analysis of the market and every other thing that has to do with trading, guys. You see an improvement in the way you analyze the market, and your results will also improve. All right, guys, so on this screen, what I'm about to show you now is just a simple strategy or a candlestick pattern that can give you good profit in the market. Just knowing this candlestick pattern and how to identify them is enough to give you good money in the market. All right, so there are so many candlestick patterns that is available on the trading platform, on the chart, I mean. So, excuse me. There are so many candlestick patterns, but the one we are going to be focusing on today in this video is the engulfing candlestick pattern. We're going to be looking at the engulfing candlestick pattern. All right, so when we talk about engulfing candlestick, it's just like what you're seeing here on screen. To engulf, like now what we have in here, you see that the green candlestick here on this screen, the green candlestick is smaller, has a smaller body. If you understand candlestick analysis or anatomy, you should know that for the red candlestick, this is the body. The whole of this red area is the body. Excuse me, let me change the color. The whole of this red area here is the body of the candlestick. Then we have this for a red candlestick, it start forming from the up and goes down. So where it starts forming, which is here, this is the opening, that's the open, and this is the close. Where it ends, that's the end. Then this is the high. This week, the top of this week here is the high, while this is the low. But for the green candlestick, which starts to form from the bottom to the top, this is the open, this is the open, and this is the close. This is the high, and this is the low. So now, when we are considering the how do we call it, the engulfing candlestick pattern, we are more concerned about the body of the candle. The body of the candlesticks, that is here to here for this green one, and here to here for this blue one. Please pardon my drawing, it's not neat. All right, so what happens? As you can see, the body of the green candle is far bigger than the body of the red candle, meaning that, and we know that normally, conventionally, the green candle represents buying, represents bull. That's a bullish presence in the market. So when we see this green candle being like the body of the green candle being bigger than the body of the red candle, that is immediately after a red candle, you have this green candle here. We say it's bullish engulfing, because it is the green candle that has a body that is bigger than the red candle. So this is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Then, and in most cases, you will not see this thing like this. Now you can see, as you can see here, you can see that there's a kind of this red candle is both the opening and the close are right inside the green candle. Look at, like they are totally engulfed, in terms like they are inside the green candle, as you can see. So you may not be seeing this kind of patterns all the time. There are times mostly what you'll be seeing, you notice that you'll be seeing the green candle, the body of the green candle will start right here like this. just immediately after the close of the red candle, somewhere like this here. That is this way it will start. That's where you will see the green candle start to form. Not actually as low as this point, as you've seen here on this thing. This is just for demonstration purposes. All right. So this is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So the presence of this candlestick pattern um, signifies that the market will be buying. Signifies the market will be buying based depending on the time frame you are seeing it. The market is going to be buying. If you see it on the 5 minute time frame, you know the market is going to be buying maybe for a little while. But if you see it on the 1 hour time frame, you know the time it will be buying for a longer time. If you see it on the higher the time frame you find it, the longer the trend that is going to go in. All right, so let's look at another one. Look at it here. This is the bullish, an example of the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Also, you can see it right here. You can see it right here. Now, in this case, as you can see, the close and the close of this red candle, which is, let me get another color. Okay, the close of this candlestick, which is around of this red candlestick, you can see it around here, and you see where the green candlestick started developing, started forming. So it's not as down as the one we saw in the previous image. So you can see this is what you mostly be seeing. So this is an engulfing candlestick pattern, and immediately you have this, the next candle will always be green. If you see this how do they call it, bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, the next candle will mostly be green, showing it is continuing to buy. All right, so that is it. So now the next one is we are going to look at is the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. All right, so now look at this, guys. For the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, you can see what is happening here. The red candle, the body of the red candle is far larger than the body of the green candle. You can see this is the body of the red candle, which is far bigger than the body of the green candle. The body of the red candle bigger than the body of the green candle. The same principle. Inside, in fact, it's just an opposite of what is happening for bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So this one is for bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. So what you need to do is just to identify them on the chart. Once you are able to identify them on the chart, you then get some confirmation and going for a trade. They can just be a confirmation anyways. Now look at what we have here. This is the engulfing, bearish engulfing candlestick pattern here on the chart. You see, you can see immediately after this bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, the market went down. The market went down. It doesn't mean you will not be seeing some green candlesticks again. You will still be seeing, but the momentum of the red candlesticks will be far greater than that of the green candlestick. You have more of the red candlesticks than the green candlestick. Like what happened here. Look at the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here. As you can see, all through from here up, were having more green candlesticks than the red candlesticks. But from here down, we have more of the red candlesticks than the green candlesticks. So we call that is the bullish engulfing, while is the bearish engulfing candlestick patterns. Now let's go to real chart to look at how we can identify them and how we can trade them. Let's go to the real chart. Okay, before we go to the real chart, I think I need to make you understand this. All these formations we are seeing, they don't work all the time. Why I'm saying so is this. All the time means not just anywhere. If you want to trade these candlestick patterns, you must wait. They must appear on a certain location on the chart, certain place on the chart before you go in for them. If you're seeing this candlestick pattern within in a trend, you see it in a trend. It like a trend, not at a resistance or support area. You're supposed to. In fact, I will advise you wait till the market gets to a support or resistance area. If this here, if this is a resistance area and you find this bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, then it's a signal for you to go in for a sell trade, and you put your stop loss right above it, above that zone. The same thing is applicable for this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. It must happen at the support level. It must happen at the support level. Then you know market must reverse when it market must most likely reverses when it gets to a support zone to go to, so that it can go to the upside. So if the market gets to the support zone and forms this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, then you know the market is about to reverse. So you can go in for a buy trade immediately the engulfing candlestick pattern is formed. Then you put your stop loss just before the zone, the support zone, and you watch out for the trade as it plays out. All right, guys. So it is best you wait for the market to get to the support zone until you try to implement this using this engulfing candlestick pattern. All right, guys. So let's go to the real chart to see what we can do there. So on a real chart, normally if you want to go in to analyze the market, I like starting from the higher time frame. I like starting from the higher time frame, but this is just a 30 minutes time frame. I think I can just use this to do the explanation because it seems the video is already long. So what happens here is this, guys. I think I can find the support, a resistance zone here, or a key level. I can find a key level here. Let me use the rectangle tool. See these guys. This is a support, this is a resistance area. This is previously a resistance area. I think I need to change this color to black. Okay, this is a resistance area here. Or this, you see the price reacted around this region, then it broke through, then retested at this point, still went up again. You can see, guys. You can see. Then it came back here again. You can see retested here again. Then it broke through, retested it again, then it broke through. All right, so now along this support and resistance region, we can identify these candlestick patterns I told you, I mentioned. Oh man, guys. Yes, you can identify this candlestick pattern I just mentioned. Right here, you can see we have a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here. Sorry, the color changed again. You can see the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern right here. Let me circle it well, please. All right, so you can see this is the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here. Maybe I think I need to zoom in more so you can see. So right here you can see that this green candle here, at this point, the body of the green candle is bigger than the body of the red candle, and this is a support area, which gives us the confirmation that the market is going to reverse at this point. So if you're on the chart and you notice this, after the closing of this green candle, you enter your trade, putting your stop loss right here, down somewhere around this point like this. You see you'll be in profit as the market will progress till the top. Yes, get to the next resistance zone before it reverses. So this on the 30 minutes time frame. If you enter a trade here, you can make some money before getting to this place. You make some good money, guys. You make some good money. So that is just the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern there. And here also, if we look at this, you can also see the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern right here. This is the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. One moment. One moment, please. Okay. This is a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern here. And this region is also a support, is a resistance zone. Let me mark out the resistance zone clearly first before doing that. Get the rectangle too. You can see market has been reacting at this level. You see that's a resistance zone. So now you can see that this is a bearish um sorry, I don't know why this color keeps changing. This color keeps changing all the time. Yes, this is the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. You can see the body of the red candle is bigger than the body of the green candle. And immediately this formed, if you enter the trade here at this point, after the closing of this candlestick, and putting your stop loss above this zone, somewhere here like this, you see that you'll be in profit. It will sell till it gets to this resistance zone. Now, somebody will say the market is ranging, you don't trade. Guys, you will still trade depending on the time frame. If I should open this thing, if I should go to a lower time frame, what we're having here is a very okay, let me just go to 15 minutes time frame so that you see. Look at it here. So on the 15-minute time frame from here, if you enter the market from here down, where is that to? See, from here down, that is enough money, guys. That's enough money, guys. So you get some money and you leave the market. The same thing is applicable to this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern we found here. You make some money. I'm sorry, I don't know what's wrong with this MT5 today. Maybe because I just updated, I don't know what's happening. All right, so you can see, on this 15-minute time frame, your bullish engulfing candlestick and the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern we found, like this one here, this particular one here, what we saw here was a bullish and a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern on the 30 minutes time frame. But on the 15-minute time frame, it's giving you a pin bar. It's also a pattern, So sometimes you need to always try to go through different time frames to get the pattern. Now, if you are getting that pattern, you see you found the pattern on the 30 minutes time frame. That's a higher time frame compared to the 15 time frame. So 15 minutes time frame. So it gives you more confirmation, more confidence that it is going to sell. Guys, it gives you more confidence it's going to sell down. So I don't need to backtest too much because the video is already too long, guys. The video is already too long. I want you to just practice these things I've told you. First of all, just be able to mark out the resistance and the support zones. Mark out the resistance and support zones. After marking out the resistance and support zones, then you try to identify those candlestick patterns, the bearish engulfing and the bullish engulfing. After identifying those patterns, just look at what happened. Check what happened in the market after those patterns were formed. Check what happened in the market after those patterns were formed. Then you also wait for a current market to give you such patterns. Then you try to trade on your demo account first. You practice. That is pure price action, guys. It is pure price action and can give you good money if you practice it well and get used to it, because you need to practice for some time and be sure you can do it well before you go in to trade with your real account, guys. I'll be giving you a lot of this kind of videos from now henceforth, so that you can learn pure price action and be making your money without without indicators here and there, guys. All right, guys. So I think we should leave it at that today, and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Bye.